system test 6. Right here, I still got the BG12. This hasn't changed. And down here, I still have the power supply. Next system test, there will be a big change though, like a huge change. Nothing will be the same. But for today's test, I've got the BG12, and up here I've got my system sensor SpectrAlert P1224MC, and this is set on 15 candela, code 3. Down here I've got another P1224MC. This is on 30 candela. And let's just go right ahead. Oh, 1 second, let me put on my hearing protection. All right, let's go. All right, so now I'll set them to continuous and we can pull it again. All right, they are now on continuous, so let's go. Alright, so that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is a quick test. But, yeah. So, I'll see you guys in the next one.